Joining us now is Muhammad Ali's daughter, Laila, and we really appreciate you sharing some time with us this morning as we and so many others continue to pay our respects to your beloved father. I was just saying to you, do you feel the love? Does it bring you some measure of comfort, Laila?
I've been feeling the love since before my father passed away, but I can say that I'm obviously really sad. But I've been sad for a long time, just watching my father struggling with Parkinson's disease. And, you hold your head up and you say, yeah, he's doing great. But, I felt like he was trapped inside of his body. So I have comfort in knowing that he's not suffering anymore.
Your father, the way he faced Parkinson's so courageously, can you share with us your final moments with your dad?
Well, my father, thank God, all of us kids, my father has 9 children total, were all at the hospital and all had the opportunity to be with him when he passed away. So some of, my sisters were saying Islamic prayers and, so it was a very peaceful time, and we sent him off in a very peaceful way, and we all were there. And that doesn't always happen, when everybody has the opportunity to be there. So that was very nice.
It's very important to have his family there by his bedside. When did you first realize that your father was more than a world champion, that he was beloved all around the world and had such a great power and influence over people?
Well, from a very young age, everywhere we went, we got attention because my father loved attention, and he would make sure that everyone saw him and stop for him, and we'd be stuck places for hours. He's doing magic tricks and things. So I knew my dad was special in speaking up for people who couldn't speak for themselves, and I just have so much respect for him because you just don't see that. You don't see that anymore, not only in just athletes. I mean, you can't even, there's just not that many men that you can really compare to my father. When I think of my father, I think of people like Nelson Mandela and people like that.
He was a loving father. You're a loving mother. Love the pictures that you shared on social media, especially the one with your little boy and girl, and your dad was wearing the little birthday hat. What do you remember most from that moment?
That was his last birthday, and we all, again, luckily, all his kids and grandkids were there. We were with him in Arizona, and he was bright-eyed and alert, and he had a really great day. And, I cherish those moments. And my daughter, Sydney, has a really, really close connection with him where she's always like, I want to go see Papa. I want to go see Papa. And